Kind of marketing is what is called content marketing, right? And content marketing is a very crucial kind of marketing that most people underestimate, and it's actually powerful. I've seen people transition from one industry to another and still using that same content marketing strategy to be able to push their products or their brands even in this strange or new environment that they find themselves, right? Content marketing is very crucial, and if you have not been doing that right now, I would recommend it 100%. So what is content marketing? Content marketing is a way of educating your clients or your prospective clients on what value your product or your services is offering. It also involves you educating them on making informed decision, either in producing or purchasing that particular product. Content marketing goes beyond you just putting your product in the face of your clients or customers. It is about giving value even without them paying a dime for your services or even for your product. It means that, for instance, if I'm into real estate and all I do, I have a property I want to sell. It's not about you going to the face of all your clients and showing them that, oh, I want this what I'm selling, as if you are trying to hawk that particular product. It also involves you educating them about making informed decision about real estate products, how to note whenever there is a scam real estate agent, what are the different loopholes to watch out for, how best to invest into real estate, the different available scheme in real estate, how can they get loan to invest in real estate, what are the, you give them different valuable information that will make them see you as one, number, a professional, as two, someone who knows what they are doing when it comes to real estate. And the same thing goes to other of your products. As a tailor, as a caterer, whatever industry you find yourself, when you provide value, people would see you as a person that is valuable, and when they end up needing your services, they would willingly come to you. Now, as a CAC registration expert over the years, and in fact, I do other things. One of the major ways I've used to push my CAC registration business is to give value. Now, on my YouTube channel, I create content that educate people, even without you you've not met me for once. You would have watched my videos on YouTube, and you would have learned one or two things, and I've seen the repercussion of that. The repercussion is simple. It is people reaching out to me, number one, to thank me and appreciate me for the value I've given them, for the information they are looking for that they found on my channel, and two, people reaching out to me to do business because they've seen that I have built trust with them and I have given them value, and what they can do in retrospect is to give me back that respect and do business with me. So one of the ways you can use to grow your brand or your business from where it is right now to where it should be is to make sure that you offer value in releasing valuable content. Go to ChatGPT, for instance, and search for topics that you can start creating content about that is relevant to the kind of industry that you find yourself, right? If you are a digital marketer, for instance, one of the ways you can push yourself is to create valuable content that relates to digital marketing. If you're a social media manager, one of the major things you can do to push your brand is to create content that would help you stand out as a social media manager. So you must make sure you're giving value. If you're not giving value, then you being able to get the prospective clients that you need would be difficult, right? All this video has given you much value. All you need to do is subscribe to this channel, give video a thumbs up, and make sure I want to know your industry. Drop it on the comment section, and let's see how I can give you more advice on how you can create more content and build that particular brand. I'll see you in the next video. My name is Ademola Ezekiel. Thank you.